Last week we had Cavu out on the hard, changed the zincs, cleaned the bottom, and put a showroom shine on her hull. It's time to get her back in the water so we can work on the topside and do a small sail down so we can clean out her anchor locker. Ready to get back in the water?
And hot tub?
This is Patricia, and I'm Dave. During the summer of 2020, we traveled to French Polynesia for a sailing vacation. We had such a great time that we decided to buy a sailboat when we returned. Our new Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 440 arrived in April of 2021. Watch as we outfit and upgrade Cavu, learn to sail first on the Texas coast, but eventually the world. Patricia started topside with the stainless steel polish. Jeanneau had left us a tube on the boat to get us started, and it was enough for her to finish the cockpit. Next, we had to use a little mildew remover on the caulk around the base of the tow rail. No. It's a lot lighter.
It is a lot lighter. It's not... It's about 80%. I give this product a B-.
That worked good on the life sling.
Yeah, it did work really good on the life sling. Is there a special product to restore your caulk? If so, comment in the links below.
So Patricia's cleaning these, but what we're seeing is even the caulk lines inside here are holding a little bit of mildew, so we're going to use this mildew remover, see if we can't get rid of that as well. So that's looking a lot better.
It is.
So if you look down here, point to that area right there in the corner, you can see how clean it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
So with it a little bit wet, it seems to be cleaning up a lot better.
Yeah, it really does.
We got a number of hatches to clean. Got the sail hatch you just cleaned, got these two into our cabin, and then all these. All right, all the hatches are nice and clean. Isinglass all nice and clean.
I'm securing the lines again. Since we got the isinglass all nice and clean. And then the stainless steel polished.
So, is it happy hour?
Yeah, it's happy hour.
Let's get cleaned up.
Busy provisioning, Dave?
Yes. We have to be provisioned.
What's our provisions? Alright, that looks good. Let's see, we've got to put up the provisions in a proper place. We've been robbed! What happened to all the wine that was here?
Somebody drank it.
No, this was like full a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
How did this happen? This is terrible. Dave, I don't remember this.
Yeah, I know you don't remember it. Let's see you fill it up.
Alright.
We had a nice sail down to Redfish. A little chilly as a cold front had pushed through, and we had wind on our nose, so a lot of tacking, but we got good speed out of it. When we got to the island, the anchorage looked pretty crowded. The reason why we came down here is to clean out our anchor chain. We plan on letting all the anchor line out tomorrow, and we've got a new product that we're going to try to clean everything up. Even with the shortened daylight, we got anchored in plenty of time to dinghy over to the island and get set up to enjoy the sunset. New toy, the Ryobi 1 Plus. It's a battery-powered pressure washer, and hopefully it's going to keep Cavu a little cleaner. Let's see what we got in the box. Alright, instructions. We've got a nozzle, siphon hose, quick connect. So it's supposed to come with 20 feet of hose that you can siphon from any fresh water. And there is the nozzle tip. And the tool itself. Pretty ergonomic. So, I am a Milwaukee guy and I don't have the Ryobi batteries, but I was able to source this, and it should be an adapter that fits my 18-volt Milwaukee batteries onto this. Hopefully it'll still fit inside the little waterproof case. So let's see. Alright, I got the 4 amp hour Milwaukee battery, and this is supposed to just clip on like that. Plug in. Oh yeah. Oh, almost. Maybe if I could just get a smaller battery. I got some smaller ones, but it just won't make the closure. Turn safety off. So I think I got a smaller battery that'll probably work for that. Let's see this. It just looks like it's a quick disconnect. And then a quick disconnect here. So the nice thing is you can get a 2-liter bottle of water for quick cleanups. And just quick disconnect this, and your 2-liter bottle fits here. And we're going to use this to clean up our anchor chain. This would go on a hose, and you can quick disconnect the hose if you had a fresh water supply. And then this is 20 feet of siphon hose. I'm not going to siphon out of the bay here, but we did bring a cooler full of water so we can try it out.
The bottom of the bay is so muddy, and it just has this dark black mud, and it gets all over the anchor chain. Ooh, spider. Kill it.
Where's the spider?
There.
I don't know what we can do about this, because unless we get down there, we're not going to get that.
Just spray it so it all goes in one pile. It's going all down the side.
We'll clean it.
Going in?
What?
Going in?
Yeah.
Okay. I have to do the dirty jobs.
Yeah.
This is why you want a small wife, huh?
All right.
Can you see me, or is it too dark?
It's pretty dark. But
So it's absolutely filthy in here.
you got most of it.
Ew.
Let me dump that.
I got one little. We definitely need to spray in here one more time, though.
Alright.
I've been just dumping them over the side.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
Oh, well, I want to get as much as I can.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
I'll spray that down, maybe. Get out.
Can I get out? That's the question. Whew. Oh my goodness. Ew.
Yes.
I can do it. Ooh. Oh my, okay. Round 2. Okay, we're going back in. I'm gonna need to change after this. Barely. I don't even know if I want to take that. You want to clean that out so I don't bring the dirty stuff back in with me? You want to clean the bucket out real quick? I need a bailing bucket. Ooh, here. I got a baggie for that muddy one. Yeah, give that a quick rinse. Okay.
I don't think you need this.
No, I got the mud out. I just need a bailing bucket. Alright, here. Teamwork.
Alright.
Well, maybe give me the shovel just so I can scoop this water in there better. Ugh.
What you need to do is just get it down to a little bit and then just dry it up with a towel.
Okay. Woo. Ooh. Ooh. It looks good. Around it. Edges and stuff. Okay. Alright. Moral of the story. Check the chain washer box. Whatever you do, if you are ordering a new boat, check it. So you're not ending up like me, having to do this.
They just ran across our chain. Alright.
Okay. Well, I don't think they have that low of a draft, so I think we'll be okay.
Alright.
Looks pretty good, right?
Alright. That looks much better. Alright.
Okay, so just pull the trigger.
Yeah, just pull the trigger.
Okay, that's easy enough.
Alright, so I'll start pulling this forward and you just spray it as it comes up.
Okay. Yeah.
As we pulled the chain up, Patricia rinsed it off with the pressure washer. This will be standard practice in the future, and what we'll do is we'll carry an extra 2.5 or 5 gallon jug in the anchor locker that we can siphon out of. This should limit the amount of Galveston Bay mud that we get into our chain locker in the future. Overall, we are happy with the Ryobi for what we want to use it for. It was not a big performer as far as a pressure washer. If you're looking for a pressure washer, I would suggest getting something more powerful. But for the quick cleanup, I think it's going to work just fine.
I'm going to close the anchor locker and then clean the anchor off. Whew, that was a dirty job.